Hello and welcome back to my home-based pottery studio. In this vlog we're gonna be throwing, trimming, creating some incense holders with the shape of an onigiri, and I'm gonna be also updating you on some exciting news that I'm having for next month most probably. But without further ado, let's go and throw some pots. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be sharing with you all the things that are going on in my studio right now. Let's go ahead. I hope you enjoy it. This beginning of the year has been quite slow. I wanted to do a lot of pieces for the spring collection, but since I was testing a new design, which is the strawberry that I'm gonna be showing you, or maybe you have seen it on my Instagram or here, because I've been sharing also some lives on my YouTube channel, so if you wanna watch it, you can go ahead and watch it, but after this video. And this design took me a while, because it's a little teacup. I won't get into details, because you can get all the details on my other videos. I've been working on some incense holders. I've been working also on some espresso cups, because it's been a while I don't have little cups, and I thought it would be the moment, a good moment in order to get other sizes also, and I wanna glaze them somehow with brighter colors, so I'm gonna have to research a tiny bit more. I'm also making the onigiris, the incense holders, but yeah, at the same time, one thing that I'm excited and a bit nervous is that I'm actively looking for a place to rent here in Barcelona in order to create my studio and teach classes, teach workshop. One for sure is gonna be about creativity, guiding you through some exercises, and later on from those exercises you would create the pieces. I think it's quite interesting also to create from your own self, also injecting something that belongs to you or from your past or your interests and all those things. But I'm gonna be giving you more information once I define the workshop, because for now I'm just writing down some ideas. And maybe I was thinking also, since Terra Mida started because I wanted to create a plant pot and to plant my plants, as you can see, and maybe you've seen on other videos, I am a plant lover, and that was the source of all these projects. I thought it would be lovely also to have a workshop in which I think we could meet more than once, and in one day we would create a plant pot, and in another day, after firing and everything, we would plant the plants together and we would talk and nurture a tiny bit the idea of creating a house for your lovely bodies that we have home. But yeah, I had to slow down a tiny bit on the search of the studio, because I had a family situation in which, well, basically my grandma is not going through the best time of her life. She's 92 and she had 2 strokes, and she lost the mobility of her legs, an arm, and also half of the face. Now she's much better and she's recovering and she's stable, but yeah, it was really scary, so I had to stop and focus all my energy into family and into this situation that, I mean, it's not that we were not expecting it, because once you have your grandma and grandpa that are really old, you know that eventually someday this is gonna happen, or maybe not like this with this outcome, but all of us, we grow, so it's part of nature and life. But yeah, we didn't expect it to happen so fast in a sense, so this also made me take more time for myself. And yeah, I'm a bit drained. I have not a lot of energy, because while I'm creating the new pieces, while I'm doing the new collection, while I'm handling with this family situation, while I'm searching for a studio here in Barcelona to have you all come and create and grow together. At the same time, I'm rehearsing with the dance company, because I'm also a dancer, and I'm gonna be performing this next week, the last one of February, the first one of March, also 2 other weekends of March, and we're gonna be creating another piece. Within all the things that I have explained you, imagine that half of the days I was rehearsing with the company for 2 pieces, one that we're gonna be performing again, and the other one that is the new one, so yes, it's been demanding, but somehow I'm quite happy, because yes, a lot of new things and exciting things are about to come, but at the same time I'm already drained. I just wanted to share with you guys a tiny bit of what's been going on. This is why I think I was doing more live these past weeks, because I have no time to edit much, and one thing that I wanted to do this year is to create more YouTube videos and to share with everyone a tiny bit more of the process, but life happens and I'm quite flexible with that. I don't want to stress out because of this goal that I wanted to have for this year. So I thought that it would be also a lovely idea or a lovely option for us to have a connection and to work together in a sense. Maybe it's not that edited, well, it has no edition because it's alive, but also the thing I really enjoyed is to get to know you guys or to have the chance to talk to you while I'm working, and this is something that I really want to focus on this year. I don't want to focus on numbers, followers, or whatever. I just want to focus on creating a community that is caring and loving, and where we can inspire each other and we can share what I have learned and maybe what you learn also. And I thought that the live format is a great opportunity to do that. It's been tough. I'm gonna be honest. I'm fine. It's not that this past week I've been a tiny bit sad, which is normal because of my grandma's situation. But there is like a duality. There is a part of me that is really excited for all the things that are gonna come, but this means I'm gonna be taking a lot of responsibility, which I'm taking already somehow, but with another shape and format. One thing that I wanted to ask you guys is like, now that I'm gonna be having a pottery studio here in Barcelona that is gonna be open for any of you to come, you can always text me and I can always organize workshops for you guys. But I would like to know, what would you like me to teach, or what would you like to learn from me? I'm really open. I have some ideas and I'm gonna be creating some workshops, as the one I said about creativity, and the other one that maybe I'm thinking about that one, I'm not sure. The one of creating your own plant pot and then potting up the plants together, and I don't know. There is something I need to think a tiny bit more, but I'm really open, and if you wanna share some thoughts or ideas, go ahead, comment down below and let me know. I don't know if in this vlog I'm gonna be showing also the process of sculpting the espresso cups, but for now the voiceover is gonna be over, so enjoy the rest of the video. I'm gonna see you at the end.
I'm starting to feel away. No, we were not strings attached. Maybe we could take that back, make it what it isn't. I wanna be with you. We just get along so well. Want you, baby, to my side. You know we get together, but we pass it up. I think I want forever. Maybe we found some luck. Maybe we found some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Maybe it's crazy I love you. Maybe it's crazy I do. Maybe it is, but I'll live with it. If it means I love you. If we could be together, I'm sexy. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All of your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches that come with a thing called trust. We don't gotta rule out commitment. I want you differently. I think this is love. Yeah. I think this is love. Love. Yeah. You know we get together, but we pass it up. I think I want forever. Maybe we found some luck. Maybe we found some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're starting the year with a lot of energy and health and happiness. If not, I'm sending you a lot of big kisses and beautiful energy. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to share with you a tiny bit of the things that are happening in my life right now and all the new projects that are starting that I'm really excited about. Send you a big hug and kisses and see you in the next one. You can follow me on my Instagram, subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, give it a like, and yeah, you can also support me on Patreon if you want to, and bye bye. Ciao.